Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Viewers and subscribers, me have some things I'm going to tell you, and it's up to you if you want to believe or if you don't want to believe. Is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, I read a news article about this whole issue where it is said that a Rastafarian girl claimed that a police trimmed her hair while she was in police custody at the Four Paths police station in the parish of Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica. Now, please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to tell you are according to some things that I read in a news article. And I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, but they have to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, according to some things that I read in the news article, it is said that at least 3 persons who claimed that they are associates with the female who claimed that a police trimmed her dreadlock while she was in police custody within the country of Jamaica, told them that she said that she trimmed her own hair. According to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that those persons who claimed that they are associates with the female said that they want their identity to be protected, and it is said that they said that days before the whole issue had been brought to the public attention, that the same female who claimed that a police trimmed her dreadlock while she was in police custody somewhere within the country of Jamaica told them that she trimmed her own hair because she saw some white things in her hair that looks like fungus. Now, viewers and subscribers, when I read that part of the news article, I started to wonder and I started to think. I wondered if she told those persons lies. That is, if she even tell them anything. See? Because in my point of view, you have Rastafarians out there who take great pride in them hearing of viewers and subscribers. See? Or should I say they take great pride in their dreadlocks. I wondered if she felt embarrassed to even let anyone know that police trimmed her hair while she was in police custody. Because from my little youth I grew up, you know, the amount of times me hear persons say to Rastafarians, oh, me will trim you. And some of those Rastafarians even got upset that someone even said those things to them. So in my point of view, I think that there are Rastafarians out there who might find a situation like that embarrassing to the point that they might not even want anyone to know what really happened, and that's if it happened. You see what I say? And I also wondered if the female and those persons are really associates. You know what I mean? I start wonder all kind of things, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Why would a mother and a daughter can be seen in a video posted on social media making such an allegation or allegations about the police within the country that is known as Jamaica? Yeah, so according to some things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that the allegation that had been made by the teenager is being questioned by those persons who claim that they are associates of the teenager. In my point of view, if the things that they said, if they are true, then this might be a big twist in this whole situation. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me there for keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Other things had been written in the news article that I read, but I just wanted to point out that part of the news article. See it? So you can let me know what you think about that, or let me know what you think about the things that I said in this video. Alright? So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?